Right, this is number 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City North, MTN 8 quarterfinal. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Firstly, I'm here as a football lover. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs. We are not in the MTN 8, but I'm here supporting football.
Yeah.
It was not the best game that I anticipated, but yeah, a win is a win. As someone who's staying in Pretoria, Sundowns is my second love.
Yeah.
So I love football. That is why I'm here. Yeah, I'm not like those who are just club lovers. I'm a football lover.
Yeah.
But well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. We're wishing them all the best going forward. By the way, they are playing my home team. I'm from Cape Town originally. So I'm from Cape Town, Western Cape. Yes. I'm from the winelands in Paarl. Yeah. So, but I'm here as a football lover. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
We wanted to improve the draw.
Yeah. No, thank you very much. Let's hope that next season your team will come up strong.
Even now, I don't have hope. Even now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only signing one player, I don't have hope still.
No, let's hope they'll come up straight. Because I think there's 4 players so far, and also you have changed the technical team. They're still searching, but let's hope that next season will be something that Amakosi fans will go home with.
On the issue of changing a technical team,
Yeah.
how does the instruction get to the players? I watched the other day. There must be an interpreter. How do the instructions?
No, he knows
to the
English.
players?
Remember, he knows English.
Oh, I didn't know. I only saw.
Let's wait and see. You haven't played
Oh,
even a
I
single
saw the
game
last
this season.
interview. I didn't know. I saw
Don't
the
worry
last
about the
interview.
interview. Just check in the field.